Hey, what's up, traders? This is Blake from Trade Connect VVS. In today's video, I'm going to be interviewing Rob, who, of course, is the head trader of Lux Trading. You guys have seen him before on this channel in these videos, so he's been on here a couple times explaining other things. In this video, we're going to be explaining the new broker. It's a whole new system that Lux Trading has, and they now have the ability for you to trade on your prop firm account on tradingview.com, which is absolutely insane. It's the first prop firm to ever do this. And so if you guys are interested in getting started with Lux, again, don't forget to check out the description below for a 12.5% discount. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, guys, I'm back here with another video with Rob. I'm so happy to have you back on. Rob, of course, is from Lux Trading. So happy to have you.
Thank you, Blake. I'm happy to see you again.
Awesome. So there's a lot of new changes with Lux Trading that we're going to be talking about, and I'm pretty much going to be giving my opinion on it, and Rob is going to be giving his as well. So Rob, do you want to go ahead and talk about the first change?
Yeah, the first change actually is that we have changed our broker. So we went from Tier 1 FX to Global Prime. We thought this was necessary because we encountered some problems with the previous broker, and we thought that due to limitation also of platforms, we thought we have to look for another solution. Also, a lot of our traders were not very happy with them. So I spoke with the brokers that I work with also on our asset management department, and they were all very interested, but I thought that Global Prime was the right partner.
I have experience with both these brokers. I definitely really like Global Prime. I've worked with them in the past, and their spreads are really, really good. They're extremely competitive. And I've noticed that on tradingview.com, you can even sometimes see that they have an option on there. Are people going to be able to trade Global Prime on TradingView itself, or do they have to use the MT4 platform?
Now, actually, they can do both. So if a trader has, let's say, the preference of trading with MT4, then he can choose the MT4, but they can also say, okay, I would like to, I prefer to trade with TradingView, because I mean, like 30 million traders are now trading with TradingView, so I think it was really a good asset for us as well, you know, to offer that also to our traders. You cannot combine both of them, but what you can do is also, if you have TradingView, you can put also Trading Central on it, as well as on MT4. You can forward your orders through TradingView, so I think it's a good combination. So people
Yeah,
who are actually used to work with MT4, they can still doing that. So I mean, nothing will change with that. But the TradingView people that already start working with TradingView, we have that option as well.
yeah, this is really quite incredible. This is an industry leading for the prop firm space. I don't know of a single other prop firm that is allowing traders to use the TradingView platform to place their trades before. This is pretty incredible that you're doing this. I can definitely commend that.
Yeah, it's a fantastic feature. It's something that the Global Prime is offering. Of course, we also need to pay for that option, but it doesn't really matter for us. It's actually to make the traders comfortable as they can be. So the more options you have, the better it is eventually, right?
Right. And just to reiterate, can people still use the 12.5% discount code with this model as well? Can they use the trading
Yeah,
view as well?
sure. Yeah, no problem. Everything what comes through you or is doing the education through you, we're happy to give them this discount code.
Awesome. So again, that will be linked in the description below for the link for that, as well as the exact code, the VVS code will be in the description below.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
is there any other changes you'd like to talk about?
Yeah. So since we actually changed also broker, they also have more assets to trade. So aside from FX and indices, they also have, let's say, a wider choice of trading commodities, as well as single stocks and bonds as well. So it's good. So also the stock traders can come to us. So it's only American stocks for the moment. I mean, generally they're the most traded stocks in the world anyway. So we can also offer that to our traders as well.
We've seen a couple other prop firms offer around 10 or so stocks before. Other platforms, do you know approximately how many stocks you're gonna be able to offer?
Yeah, there were 100 plus. Yeah,
Wow.
so all on the major exchanges in the US, all those stocks that are registered there. So almost all of those single stocks you can trade.
Awesome. And is there going to be any restrictions on these stocks that you're holding overnight, holding over weekends?
No, I mean, the rules are staying the same as with FX or with indices, so that will not change anything.
Gotcha. Well, is there anything else you want to talk about?
Also, actually, for the newbies or also for, let's say, traders who want to have some ideas, we have this Trading Central, as I said before. Central is an analysis program that is provided by professionals, it's a professional program. On both platforms, you can integrate that, and then yeah, people can get some new ideas. You know, so I mean, it gives you ideas. You look back to your chart, you see whatever strategy you're trading. If the idea they're giving is something that you agree with, you can integrate that in those charts. I mean, it's an extra tool. That's what it is.
So is this a platform, or is it an assistant tool, or just an analysis software, just for the people that don't know?
Yeah, it's a tool that actually gives the pivot point, the direction of what the analysts think of Trading Central, where it will go. Normally, you have, let's say, a pivot point where you should enter a trade nearby and put your stops just below or above it, and then you have target 1, target 2, target 3. And if you like to have this tool integrated in your platform, you can easily download it and put it on your charts.
Awesome. Well, this sounds like a really cool change. And just to reiterate as well, you guys have also had a dashboard pretty recently. I might have talked about it in my last video as well, but it's really cool that you guys have a dashboard now as well.
Yeah, the dashboard is there, I think, already there for like 3 months.
Mhm.
Because we also working with relative drawdown, so it's good to have something that that you can keep up, you know, and see what's going on with your drawdown level. So yeah, we try to give them the best, you know, what traders need eventually.
Cool. Well, it sounds like you guys are just so much ahead of the prop firm space right now. I'm so excited to see the additional competition, and thank you so much for coming on and explaining these new improvements. I'm looking forward to seeing how traders react to this.
Yeah, me too. As you said, yes, we're going in the right direction, and the only thing what we can do is that yeah, we're giving eventually the money, and we also want to have it, let's say, traded in the best way. So yeah, we are trying to give them also the best tools in order to give them also a better performance.
Cool. Well, if anyone's interested in seeing me interview someone who's actually done well with Lux Trading, let me know in the comments below. I can definitely check that out. Thanks so much, Rob, again for coming on, and hopefully we'll see you on here again soon.
Thank you, Blake, and I will see you soon again.
Thanks so much for making the end of the video. I really appreciate it, guys. If you got any value out of this, do not forget to hit the like button. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to see me interview Rob on another video, check out this video right here. I also want to hear you guys' feedback in the comments below, so let me know there. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.